To replace an upper freezer drawer roller in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Open the freezer drawer and use the small flathead screwdriver to pry the left slide rail tab away from the liner, enough to release the drawer stop. Do the same to release the right drawer stop. With the stops out, you can fully remove the upper drawer. Use the needle nose pliers to squeeze the appropriate axle retaining tabs to release the axle and the old roller. To install the new roller, align it in the bracket, then snap the axle into place to secure. Confirm the roller spins freely, then reinstall the drawer by aligning the rear rollers on the track and the front rollers on the lower drawer. Then push the drawer in. Snap both drawer stops into place to secure.